Method 1. Enable Bluetooth on iPhone. The simplest way is to turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone and then turn it on again after a few seconds. There are two ways to reactivate Bluetooth on iPhone. 1. Swipe from the bottom of iPhone screen to open Control Center. Tap Bluetooth icon to disable it, then tap it again to enable it again. 2. Go to Settings Bluetooth on iPhone, switch Bluetooth off, and switch it on again. Method 2. Soft or hard restart iPhone. To fix iPhone cannot connect to Bluetooth, you can try soft reboot at first. If it does not work, try the hard reboot. Soft restart. Press and hold power button to bring out slide to power off slider. Then swipe to turn iPhone off. Then press the power button again to turn on iPhone. Hard restart. Press and hold the home button or volume down button for iPhone X8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus and power button at the same time till iPhone screen goes completely black and let go. Then hold the power button to start iPhone again. Method 3. Update iPhone to the latest iOS version. To fix Bluetooth connection problem, you can upgrade your iPhone to the newest iOS version. To do so, please go to Settings, General, Software Update and download and install the latest iOS software on your iPhone. Method 4. Reset network settings on iPhone. Bluetooth can work without network, but it needs to network connection in some cases. To fix iPhone cannot connect to Bluetooth, you can reset network settings on your iPhone. However, please be noted that after resetting network settings on iPhone, you need to reconnect to Bluetooth device and Wi-Fi networks again with password. To do so, please go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings and tap Reset option on pop-up window to confirm your action. Method 5. Restore iPhone with iTunes. To fix iPhone cannot pair or connect to Bluetooth, you can also restore your iPhone with iTunes. However, this will delete all current data on your iPhone, so please back up your iPhone before restoration in case of data lost. To restore iPhone via iTunes, please launch the latest iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to computer with a USB cable. Then click iPhone icon and click Summary tab, and hit Restore iPhone option on the right panel to start restoring process. After restoration, you can get back your iPhone data by restoring from iCloud backup or restoring from iTunes backup.